Hello, welcome to the API Spreadsheets Demo. We are the leading platform for developers to build spreadsheet features in their applications. There are two primary features on our tool. Use your spreadsheet as an API and create a spreadsheet importer. Right now, we are going to be going through how to use your spreadsheet as an API. I'm connecting my Google account to upload my spreadsheet named appointment form data. Now, using this API, we can create a form using the HTML sample code. The data I have entered on this form automatically shows up on my Google Sheet. Next, if we go to the Read tab and copy the API URL, we can see all the submitted data as a JSON object. There's also all these other actions you can do depending on your account type. Now let me show you how to create a spreadsheet importer where your customers can upload, clean, and store data. We will start off with the Columns tab where you can specify your data model for each spreadsheet uploaded through this importer. For my data model, I want my customers to map their columns to first name and last name. Next, for destinations, I want this spreadsheet to be saved on my API Spreadsheets account as well as my Google Drive. Using the import URL, my customer can upload their spreadsheet. After they upload, our algorithm automatically matches the column names in the spreadsheet to the column name you specified when creating the importer. If you go back to your API Spreadsheets account, you can find the imported spreadsheets on your Files tab and use it as an API. We can see it uploaded on our Google Drive here as well. Thank you for watching and get started for free on APISpreadsheets.com. We can't wait to see what you build.